Hello friends, this is Saumil Patel. This side welcomes you in the Automation Mastery Training. And in this tutorial, we are going to discuss about the analog input outputs. Okay, so for analog, I am going to use the object like slider. Okay, for your explanation. Analog means real real variable means real tag or integer tags, right? So temperature, pressure, level, you can take this type of examples for explaining the analog tags, right? So I'm going to use wizard section, and in the wizard section there is a meters are available over here. Okay, so you can use meters also, you can use a slider also, but I'm going to change my analog value, so that's why I'm using the slider. Okay, and for display purpose I'm using the meter. Okay, meter, that means thermometer or like a digital meter, speedometer, like this way. Okay, so I am using the speedometer, okay, for display purpose, right? And this slider is used for changing my variable, means changing my tag, okay, for analog tag, and this is the display purpose of my analog tag, right? So just wait, I am taking the text. This is nothing but this slider, right? Sorry. And duplicate, sorry, these are two types. Okay, sorry. And this is right click, substitute string. By this way, this is the meter, you can change the text. Okay, right? So these two objects I am going to use for explaining analog tags, right? So let's attach the tag to these two objects. Okay, for slider I am attaching the tag like level. Okay, so I am creating the tag level, right? If I press OK, I have to define the tag. I am defining the tag for my memory real. Okay, so right now I am considering the all the tags are my internal tags, so that's why I am using the memory real type. Okay, you can use the memory integer also, but I want to explain the floating point also, so that's why I am going to use memory real. Okay, save, close. Okay, so label is the tag that I have attached to my slider, and the same tag I have to attach to the meter for display purpose. Is the label is changing or not? Okay, if I change the label, if the label is changing or not, for display purpose I am using the meter. So if I double click on this, I have to write down label tag over here. Otherwise I have to select by double clicking on this, and here is the tag that I have created. Okay, from the list I have to select from the list. Okay, and okay, now let's take a look for the different settings of the slider. Okay, so the slider range is 0 to 100. Okay, and this is the divisions. Okay, divisions means these are the lines, small lines are available over here, so these are the divisions. Okay, you can change it or you can keep as it is by default. Okay, and here is the text color. I am changing the text color for your just explanation. Okay, so this is the color I have changed, and here is the decimal places. I am going to explain the real values, means floating point value, so that's why I have to use one decimal place. I can use two decimal place also. If I press OK, so you can see that these are the two decimal places, but this is not for better visualization. Okay, so that's why I am using the decimal point one. If I am not using any decimal point, then see, you can see that slider range is 0 to 100, and for example my slider range is 0 to 200. See, slider range is changed 0 to 200. So that's my that's why I am changing the different settings for your explanation. Okay, so let's take decimal point 1, and let's take maximum value for the level 100. And fill color, yes, I can change for fill color, I can change, and I can change text color also. So if I'm changing okay, red is my text color. Okay, and label. So what is the label? See, this is the name of the label, okay, slider. But my tag is label, so better I can display, I can write down the text like this is the label. Okay, or I can write down for the better precise way, tank level. Okay, because level is nothing but the of tank. Okay, so it is the tank level, right? And this level is the tank level. Okay, for meter also I am going to use the label tank level. Okay, and what is the fill color? These are the colors that you can modify for your understanding. Okay, and here is the meter range 0 to 1000. Okay, but my level range is 0 to 100. Let's keep as it is and we will see what is the difference. Okay, now I am saving my screen. I am going to my runtime mode. Okay, so if I change this level, so you can see that the meter is also meter value is also changing. Okay, if I go to 100, meter value is 100. If I go to 60, see, meter value is 60. Okay, and if I go to 20, meter value is 20. If I go to 0, for if I go to 0 for my tank level, so meter value is 0. But meter range is 0 to 1000, so that's why it's only moving up to 100. Okay, so for that, for better scaling, you have to change just maximum value of meter. Okay, and decimal places you have to change 1, because slider has the decimal places of 1, so meter should have the decimal places of 1 for display purpose of my level. Okay, now I am saving the window. If I again go to the runtime mode, see, you can see that 0.0 to 100.0 is my meter value, meter range, and slider range is 0.0 to 100.0. Okay, so this is how you can change the analog value also. Okay, so hope you will understand in a very easy way the analog input output tags. Okay, analog input output examples with the help of slider and with the help of meter. Okay, okay, so that's it for this tutorial, and we will meet with our new topic in our next session. Thank you.